Hey guys, Amy from my Publix Coupon Buddy here. So two great deals going on right now on Philadelphia cream cheese items. These bagel chips with cream cheese dip are on sale in the green flyer. Going on right now until February 2nd. So this started on January 20th until February 2nd. These are on sale for $1 a piece. There is $1 off 2 printable coupon. So I'll put the link to this coupon above this video or below in comments. You're going to buy 2 at $2 because they're $1 a piece. Use one of the $1 off 2 printable coupons and pay just 50 cents a piece, which is a great deal. Additionally, Philadelphia cream cheese, which is normally $3.35 a tub, is on sale 2 for $4. So that's a great deal. And then there is a $1 off 2 printable coupon for the tubs of cream cheese or the blocks if you prefer those. We like the whipped mixed berry at my house, so that's what I'm snagging. You're going to buy 2 of these and they'll cost $4 before coupons because they're $2 a piece on sale. And you're going to use one of the $1 off 2 printable coupons and pay just $1.50 a piece. Great deal. Happy couponing.